I walked outside yesterday and found a Coke on a folding chair near our back door. It turns out, I guess the delivery person just dropped it there. It was like ordered or entered at 3:21 a.m. And so naturally, it's like, why is some stranger misdelivering a Coke to this address? And thought it was strange because one little Coke, how much money did it cost to, you know, delivery fees and all that. I don't order by delivery. I don't know that much about it, but anyway you see it, it's like kind of a waste. But I posted it on Facebook on the couple of the community groups. Of course, had a lot of interesting replies on that, and I just think, hey, it could be innocent. Yeah, sure thing. Could. On the other hand, there are people that could use such a thing as a prop to case your house or something. I mean, it's not unheard of, right? So I sent a message to Whataburger trying to find out, is this legit, or was there something strange about it? I don't know. I don't know what they're going to tell me if they even answer, but I gave it a shot. So whenever I hear from them, which hopefully will be in the next few days, I'll report back here. See you in the kitchen.